Hello everyone, I am Benny. Today I will explain how to use the AutoCount Batch Transfer S2PO plugin. I believe everyone has used AutoCount's transfer function, which supports partial transfer and full transfer. But if the user needs to change some key information such as shipment info or posting date, at this stage you need to edit the sales order before you transfer or modify the shipment info after the transfer. If you do it this way, it is very time consuming and it's also very repetitive. If you use our plugin, you can directly change all the information you want to set when selecting which documents to transfer. For example, now your company's operation team has received confirmation to issue 50 sales orders today. They need to ship them for delivery by lorry. Therefore, they can use our plugin to change the lorry number on those 50 sales orders to the desired one. For instance, you don't have to edit one by one before transferring, which is very time consuming. Without further ado, I will now show you how to operate in AutoCount. Now we come to AutoCount. First, what we need to set is its setting. So for this setting, you can choose whether it is sales order to delivery order or sales order to invoice. This is the first method. The second is transfer type, which can be partial transfer or full transfer. The third one is the transfer method. If you want one sales order to go to one delivery order, you write 1-to-1. If you want many sales orders to go to one delivery order or invoice, you choose the second option. For convenience, I am using the many-to-one method. Then the fourth one, the 4 settings you need to set is the document status. Because of the e-invoice, you can now choose to save as draft or approve. If you approve, when you post to invoice, it directly submits the e-invoice. Once the setup is complete, you can start operating. Then I will copy a sales order here, and you need to remember, if I save it as draft, it will not appear here. Just like this number 46, it is in draft status, and then we will check its transfer here. You see, 46 will not be displayed. You need to approve it first, then it will show up there in the area where it can be transferred. And of course, expired or void documents cannot be transferred. When we get here, you can directly, if you want, you can filter by a document number or debtor code, and here, posting date, location, shipment info, and shipment via. All this info can be manually changed. If you change it to the 21st, it doesn't mean it will post on the 21st. It means that when you post everything, the document date will change to the 21st. You can then fill in the shipment info and select the shipment method you want for shipment via. For example, if I transfer 3 documents now, I can generate a delivery order, and I'm generating it for the 21st. Because it's many to one, I'm only creating one delivery order. So now when we only go to the delivery order section, you can see that this 21 is made from 3 sales orders. Of course, the shipment via inside is also the same, showing road, and it's in draft mode because I set it to draft mode in the settings. Okay, this is how to use the pipe in method. If you have any questions, you can contact me. My phone number is 146414218. Thank you everyone.